Today we're taking another look at XDC, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XDC go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the XDC chart, guys, and as you can see we are now currently sitting at a value of 9.3 cents, but it does appear our prediction was correct, but it occurred a lot quicker than we expected. We said we would see a bounce off this downtrend line over here, which we did see, but on the same day we just blew up, kept going and smashed our target. Our target was that 10 cent mark, stayed above it briefly, and then we have unfortunately fallen back below that point. So we'll get rid of this line now because we need to basically start to establish hopefully a new trend, and I'm hoping what we're seeing is something similar to this start to form over in that direction. A bit of a uptrend again. We just need to see the volume coming in, the buying volume of course, and move back towards that 10 cent target, break back above it, and then continue moving in an upwards direction. Now, we don't have enough data to really confirm that this is going to be the trend, but we do have 3 touch points, and that is the best we can really do at this point in time. So overall, it is looking relatively good for us at this point in time. So what other indicators can we look at in order to help us determine where we are headed within the next few days? Well, let's have a quick look at our RSI. That would be a good one. I'm in the wrong chart, sorry. There we go, RSI. Bring that one up right here. You can see the RSI was quite high. It did fall briefly into the overbought range at 70.4, but it has dropped back drastically after 3 red candles all the way back down to 52.16. So now we have room to move back upwards again, and it looks like we may be seeing that, or just the start of it occurring right now, to move back towards that 10 cent mark. So hopefully that is the case. Let's also take a look at as well the MACD. MACD, it is green obviously for the entire period, but we have hit our peak and it is moving back downwards. So ideally what we're going to see is something similar to here, where we were about to, dip below, and the 12-day EMA was going to cross below the 26-day EMA, but we then managed to swoop back up. Hopefully we see that again, but it does look like that 12-day EMA is going towards the 26-day EMA now. So we need to see that volume really pump up in order to solidify our movement upwards. Otherwise, we'll be dropping likely back to a point down here on this downtrend chart. Other indicators, I suppose, 20-day moving average has crossed above the 50-day moving average, showing a short-term shift in the momentum. Hopefully we continue to see the 20-day moving average come up and the 50-day moving average starts following it. Long term, what we want to see is these two smack above our 200-day moving average, and that is currently sitting at 10.2 cents, whereas the 20 days at 8.8 cents and the 50 days at 8.5 cents. So wrapping things up, all in all, what is my target for today's video? Simply, once again, that 10 cent mark. I want to see a movement in this sort of a direction up towards that 10 cent point and then a breakthrough. That wraps up our XDC analysis for today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it down in the comments section below and where you think it is going to go in 2022. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit that subscribe button. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.